Why not transform an ordinary kitchen using hidden compartments? The AL series lifts allow you to watch TV while cooking and follow the instructions of Gordon Ramsay. The price is given upon request, and the masters are ready to undertake both individual projects and work with businesses, such as hotels and exhibition halls. Interestingly, there are solutions to make use of the corner areas, and it turns out that even a coffee machine can easily fit there. Controlled by buttons or by remote control, the lifts don't disrupt the design concept of the room when closed, and you can fully extend them in 17 seconds. But some people questioned their practicality because water could easily get into the gaps. What do you think? Craftsmen at Up in Stone are in their elements when working with bricks, tiles, and paving stones. And if you need a hidden passageway in a stone wall, you're at the right place. The team takes on individual and commercial projects, including restoration. But instead of listening to us talk, you should see it with your own eyes. Here, in a monolithic wall, a passageway suddenly appears, and in addition, you can order a swimming pool, a bathroom, or even bar fittings. In the 18th century, high-end furniture often contained secret compartments with the concept of, if they can't find it, they can't steal it, explains the Q-Line design team. And now, they make expensive furniture, like this 72 by 32 inch table that costs $3,450. It has several secret compartments for documents, valuables, and weapons. Each piece is made to order, and the client chooses the size of the table and sections, as well as the type of wood. The masters believe that it's an ideal solution, no matter what you hide inside, a family heirloom or a shotgun. This closet, on the other hand, seems like the perfect hideaway for boggarts or a door to Narnia. But in fact, behind it is a passageway to another room. Altogether, it looks like the set of another movie. From a neutrally furnished bedroom, you can get into a hall worthy of Harry Potter movies. It has stylish furniture and an unusual design. The impression is spoilt a bit, only by the screen on one of the tables. Perhaps this is the living room of a new Hogwarts faculty? Another option for furnishing your personal chamber of secrets is the Murphy door. This door's available to anyone with $2,049 to spend. The standard size of the door is 80 by 30 inches, but it can be changed upon request. The direction of rotation, wood, hardware, and design elements can also be changed. Express installation is available for an additional $600. Guns can be stored right in the door thanks to the slots that hold up to 8 units. Imagine the coolest hidden room you can think of. The manufacturer entices customers. Where in this room do you think that there's a hidden passage? The authors of the project didn't make another secret closet, nor even a door behind the mirror. This time, they transformed the fireplace. Hidden behind it is a small slide that leads to a children's room, and it looks like the ride is fun not only for children, but also for adults. In addition to the secret slide, the designers at Finished Basement are willing to work on the room it leads to. You can order mini soccer and basketball courts, as well as playhouses and swings. There are options for adults too. For example, home theaters, billiards, and bars. The only problem is the price. A movie theater can easily cost $50,000 and a billiard room $42,000. These lifting steps are great to use the space under the stairs. The company has more than 3,000 installs. Interestingly, this system can be used both in new buildings and already existing stairs, even curved ones. The installation process will take about an hour, and reliability will not be affected. After all, only 2 steps will be lifted. This option was chosen partly for fire safety reasons, and to determine whether the system can be installed, the client can fill out a small online questionnaire. The price is calculated individually based on the received data. Mirrors are also great to conceal hidden compartments. This company offers simple options like shelves and also fully fledged vaults that you can only open with your fingerprint. Prices start at $152, and the size, wood, and functionality are flexible. For example, the team is willing to supply a large compartment for shotguns, and in addition, you can choose a matching mirror and a frame to freshen up the interior a bit. Interestingly, the engineers are working on their own mistakes, responding to comments from users. For example, the new variants of vaults open much faster and are more reliable because the design is now simpler. An option for people who like to go big. Why have small hidden compartments when you can make a whole transforming room? At the push of a button, this living room turns into a home cinema theatre, and you can enjoy the performance of the actors while you sit in a chair or lie on the sofa. All the mechanisms are handmade in the United States and the UK. Future automation specialists are ready to help you with even complex projects. For example, a cinema like this was installed in a landmark building in London, meeting all architectural requirements. A perfect option for wine and cigar lovers, a versatile concealed cellar from Hebeltech Residential. This model can hold 100 bottles of various drinks, as well as glasses and boxes of cigars. The upper part can serve as a tabletop. Of course, the glass is strong enough to walk on it, and the entire structure is equipped with several safety systems. For example, the lift will automatically stop if the sensors see an obstacle. And if someone is standing on the glass, you can't turn on the lift. The model is still being developed, so you have to wait about 11 months after placing the order. Price and other details will be sent upon request. Hiding places behind a bookcase are very popular, both in movies and games. Just remember that famous quest from The Witcher 3. In this case, the manufacturer of this system invites you to hide something interesting or useful behind your books. It's interesting that the craftsman bought the remote control on eBay and also chose a magnetic lock, thanks to which you can open and close the shelf door silently. Various companies offer similar systems. For example, Resource Remodeling can make a fully fledged gun room with a door made of sheet metal. Customers can request the prices from the company. At first glance, this table seems quite ordinary, but if you swipe a tag or a magnetic card, a secret compartment opens up. It's 9 by 11 inches, so you can fit many things inside, like a gun or a watch collection. The rails can support up to 88 pounds. The table comes fully assembled, so you won't have to tamper with any tools. The price is $175. The company also offers sideboards, bedside tables, and other pieces of furniture with the same functionality. On your screen is a one-of-a-kind poker table, which is not for sale. Apart from enjoying a round of poker, you have access to a minibar built into the center of the table that rotates 360 degrees. However, up to 10 people can play poker on a casino table, so maybe the table should have been a little bigger. But there are handy racks for bottles and glasses, and special places for chips and cards. All of this appears when you press the button on the table or activate it remotely, and the lifting mechanism is called the Nexus 21. A solution for perfectionists. These are panels that allow you to effectively camouflage your garage entrance without compromising the overall aesthetics and design. The trick is an individual approach and a high-quality construction that can withstand up to 1,323 pounds of different finishes while maintaining its functionality. For example, you can use wood, glass, and aluminium decorations without any problems. The company whose videos are shown on the screen both manufactures and installs these systems. Experts are ready to make new gates or modernize old ones, and are confident that their solutions are the best on the market. To finish our list, here's a smart house with an abundance of different hidden electronic systems. The customer, a big fan of modern technology and music, wanted to integrate a huge amount of equipment into the house, including 15 motorized TVs, climate control, video and audio equipment, 370 motorized blinds, and a pool control system, and much more. In addition, each room has built-in speakers and a subwoofer. The authors of the review are sure that this is not just an automated house, but a work of art with an emphasis on design and architecture. And the staircase hides access to the equipment room with its own climate control.